Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to auto-sell on Trading 212. This tutorial is designed to walk you through the process step by step, providing you with the knowledge and skills to effectively use this feature. First, it is essential to understand what auto-sell is and how it works. Auto-sell is a feature that allows you to automatically sell a stock or other financial instrument when it reaches a certain price or meets specific conditions. This feature is useful for managing risk and locking in profits. To start using the auto-sell feature on Trading 212, you need to have an account and be logged into the platform. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard and select the stock or instrument you want to set an auto-sell for. Next, click on the Trade button and select the Sell option. You will then be presented with a screen where you can set the auto-sell parameters. Here, you can choose the price at which you want to sell the stock, as well as other conditions such as the quantity to sell and the expiration date. It is crucial to understand the different types of auto-sell orders available on Trading 212, including limit orders, stop-loss orders, and take-profit orders. A limit order allows you to sell a stock at a specific price or better, while a stop-loss order automatically sells a stock when it falls to a certain price. A take-profit order, on the other hand, sells a stock when it reaches a certain profit level. When setting an auto-sell order, it is vital to consider your risk management strategy and investment goals. You should also be aware of the fees associated with auto-sell orders and how they may impact your returns. To illustrate this concept, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you buy 100 shares of a stock at $50 per share and want to sell it when it reaches $60 per share. You can set an auto-sell limit order at $60. And when the stock price reaches this level, the platform will automatically sell the shares. In conclusion, the auto-sell feature on Trading 212 is a powerful tool for managing risk and locking in profits. By following the steps outlined in this guide and understanding the different types of auto-sell orders, you can effectively use this feature to achieve your investment goals. Remember to always consider your risk management strategy and investment objectives when setting auto-sell orders, and be aware of the fees associated with this feature. With practice and experience, you can become proficient in using the auto-sell feature and improve your overall trading performance.